So question number 20 is another parajumble. So when I read all the 4 sentences, I realized that it is basically a review of a book. And that book is introduced in sentence 3. So this obviously has to come at the beginning. Then when I look at 4th sentence, any corpse would give its eye teeth to have him on the case. So why would you like to have him on the case? That reason is here. Is so good that you should consider moonlighting as a homicide detective. So that helps us connect 1 and 4. So now that leaves us with sentence number 2. So you notice there are 2 possibilities. Start with the 3 and then write 214, or start with 3 and then write 142. So 2 before 14 or after 14. Now, because we are starting with 3rd, what does that tell you? The author thinks favorably of the book or unfavorably of the book. Let's look at the words. Zonked, bushed, or just plain habitudinous. Oh my God. So zonked and bushed basically are slangs, informal words for telling us that somebody is very exhausted or tired. So if you go through this book, you would be exhausted, thoroughly tired out, or just plain habitudinous. Habitudinous is that you would have that you would feel that you've run out of energy. You'll feel lethargic, you'll feel dull, right? So zonked, bushed, or just plain habitudinous, most readers will be glad to get to the end of a history of fatigue, that, oh, thank God it is over. So the author's core opinion is not positive. Now if I go with this 3, 2, 1, 4, 3 is negative, 2 is negative, but then suddenly 1 and 4 are positive, so you'd basically end on a positive note. That'll be conflicting. On the other hand, if I write 142, you are mentioning the positives and then you are again wrapping it up with a negative. What helps us even further is the presence of this expression. The only problem is that. So to talk about some virtues, some positives prior to that is only helpful when it comes to using this expression. So that is why we decide on 3, 1, 4, 2. So once again, question number 20th, our answer is going to be 3, 1, 4 and